video. This month I'm only 1 week late instead of a whole month late, so I'm definitely making some progress with the timing. Maybe next month I will post my video at the beginning of the month, but I'm not gonna make any promises because I know myself. But let's see how it goes next month. I hope you all had a very nice February and a nice first week of March. I'm going to start by making some review pages for February, as I always do, and then I'm going to start with my March pages. I can't believe it's already March. I feel like it's still March 2020. I don't know where the year went, but I suppose lots of people probably feel this way. It's been such a strange year, and 1 year ago I really didn't think this was going to last for over a year. I thought it would maybe be like a couple of months. I'm very happy that I didn't know at the time that it was going to last that long, because I don't think I could have handled that at the time, to know that it was going to be a year. But look where we are now, still in lockdown, and it's still sucks. But anyway, I recently reached 200 subscribers on YouTube. On a lighter note, I don't know how that happened. I was at 100 a while back, which I already thought was crazy, and now suddenly I'm at 200. So thank you all for watching my videos and leaving nice comments, and yeah, it's just very nice that I can make content on the internet that I enjoy making, and that apparently some people enjoy watching it. I've noticed that a lot of people who are subscribed to me subscribed after watching my PhD bullet journal video, which I feel a bit awkward about because I'm no longer doing a PhD. I quit my PhD back in July, and now I'm working as a web designer at a web agency, and I'm feeling a lot better in that job. I enjoy it a lot more, so I'm really sorry if you subscribed and hope to see more PhD content that won't be on my channel. So just a heads up. And that video that I posted about the PhD bullet journal, it keeps getting more views, and it's making me a bit uncomfortable, because I kind of feel like a cheat because I'm no longer doing the PhD. But I did use the journal while I was doing it, so I guess it's not really like a lying video, but yeah, I still feel kind of weird about it. I've thought about taking it down or putting it on private, but since a lot of people are watching it and liking the video, I suppose it is quite helpful maybe for people who are still doing a PhD, or are just generally interested in bullet journal setups for different purposes. So because of that, I think I'm gonna leave it up for now. But it kind of freaks me out. But anyway, I'm really happy that I reached 200 subscribers. I don't know how I did that. So thank you all for being here. Maybe I should talk a little bit about what's going on in the video. I struggled a lot with the theme for this month. I didn't know what colors to use, or what stickers to use, or what washi tape, and I put this gold washi tape on my March front page, but then I really didn't like it, so I removed it. I think I'm gonna do that now because I have these nice long stickers that actually have the exact same size, which fits a lot better. And once I changed this, I felt so much better about this whole spread, because I was really not feeling it and struggling with what I wanted to do. But in the end, I found something that I liked quite a lot. I do want to get some more stickers for my bullet journal because I find they're a very easy way to decorate and to make it look very nice and put together without much effort. So if anyone has any tips for small business owners who make stickers or like illustrators who print their own stickers, let me know. I would love to support those people and buy stickers from them, especially if you know people who are located in Europe or specifically in Belgium. That would be great because I would love to locally buy my stationery supplies. So now we're already moving on to the habit tracker. I don't think I changed much, except I added one habit, which is listen to a podcast. And I've said this before in my previous videos. I don't try to do each habit that I have on my habit tracker every day, but it's just a list of things that I know are easy to do and I enjoy doing, and they make me feel inspired or happy or healthy or whatever. And recently I started listening to podcasts and I really enjoy it. I sometimes put one in the background when I'm working and I'm not doing something that demands that much brain power, I guess. As I said, I'm a web designer, and when I'm doing more like design related stuff, but I already figured out the design and kind of translating it to the web page, that's usually something I can do while also listening to something in the background. And then I listen to a podcast and I find that it's really inspiring. And it also kind of makes me feel like there are people around me. So when I'm working from home, that's a really nice way to feel a bit less lonely, I guess. So that's something I've been doing a lot. For the right side of the page, I am looking for a quote. I was looking in a novel I'm reading and in this poetry collection that I read recently, but I couldn't really find something that made sense when you took it out of the context. So I ended up writing a short rhyme myself, which I actually really like. You'll see it in a moment. Previously, I had a budget tracker here and a to-do list, but I wasn't really using it. Or I was, but then I changed to keeping my budget tracking digitally. So I don't need it anymore here. And now I'm going to use this page for just like decoration and maybe like quotes, which is something I did in the past if you've watched my older bullet journal videos. And I actually enjoy this more because now when I open my bullet journal every night to fill in my habit tracker, I get to see something motivating or nice page that makes me feel happy, I guess, instead of like everything I've spent that month, which I don't necessarily want to be confronted with each day. So yeah, I enjoy this setup more. Then for the weekly setup, I'm doing the same thing that I started doing 2 months ago, which is one page for each week. And then I have a column on the left for to-dos, and on the right I have 3 sections, one for relaxation, one for fun things, and one for notes. I'm still not convinced that this is the ideal setup for me. So I'm still looking for better ways or thinking about other ways to set up my weeks. What I'm struggling with a bit is that everything that's in this journal is my personal stuff. So it's things I do in the evenings or on the weekend. And I would like to plan it a bit more, like plan what I'm going to do on the weekend or plan when I want to do certain like creative projects or just fun stuff. But that do take some time and energy. But I feel like when I plan it too strictly, then it kind of becomes mandatory and then I don't enjoy it anymore. So yeah, I'm struggling a bit with trying to structure my free time, but don't feel like bad about structuring it. I don't feel pressured to actually do all of my planned stuff. So if anyone has any tips on how to deal with that, please let me know. I think the problem is that if I plan something and I don't do it, I feel bad about it. So if anyone knows how to cope with that, or how to not feel bad about not accomplishing all of your intended tasks, please let me know. I would love to know the secret to this question. That's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye!